Hello, I am from Jamaica, St. Thomas, from the east side.
We got the whole east side, is it? Bless, hello and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen, Line and Line. Big up on yourself and I hope all is well. I don't know, your support is highly appreciated. Big up anyone there, you know, and blessings and protection. See it? Yeah, man. Some of viewers and subscribers, I don't know, and you just had a local reason. I'm going to say something that the Observer star, you know, that's a Jano star. Very sad, this lady, her son went missing from 2013. And she's still open and praying that he returns. You see what I'm saying? Yes, man. You see it, Jano star, you know that's supposed to feel. But otherwise, something that we're going to ask a question to you all. Do you think Jamaica need a culture reset? You know, a culture reset, like a mind reset for the country to, you know what I mean, better, you know, bring back the old good days and have respect for each other and the youths, them, you know, new generation. Do you think Jamaica need a new culture reset? That's the question more I look for. Reason we don't know quick and fast, but I don't know. We're going to run through a quick intermission and, you know what I mean, forward back and, yeah, so you don't know. Don't go to know more, so active in the comment section. See, you know, Lion Foot on another vlog. Big up on yourself. Yes, man, your support is highly appreciated.
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Enough guys, we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot at now. In a shame for time.
Welcome back, thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Don't forget to like and share. Who feels it knows, you know? You know, we got the people who know sufferation and hard life, you see me? And wallet. And become something good out of life, you know, because some people go through the struggles and ended up on a bad road, you know, because, you know what I mean, temptation. So me I say, and frustration, you see it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, who feels it knows. Yeah, man, so anyway, this is how I'm seeing at the Observer, and for that lady star is very, just trust me, it's so compelling and, you know what I mean, sad star, you know? Yes, man. Watching the mighty newscast, followed by the missing children's bulletin, was a routine for a 51-year-old mother, Michelle Cole, until 2013, when it becomes a lifeline she clung to, as she anxiously prayed that someone would recognize the face of her 15-year-old son, Anthony Johnson, who was now in that lineup. Jano star, you see it, my viewers and subscribers. Jano, you know. Jano star, sad man. Michelle Cole, you know, Miss Michelle Cole, her son, you know, Anthony Johnson. Jano star, been missing since 2013 star, and the lady just having hopes looking on the missing persons bulletin each time on the news, you know, hoping one day she would find her, see her son or something star. Sad man, it's not a nice feeling for your parents. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. It's not a nice feeling, star. Trust me. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queens, when you hear what go on and see what go on, sad, you know, for the lady and her mother them. I just want, you know, hope she stays strong and she can get closure, because, you know, if he run away, if he ran away from 2013, he went missing. No whereabouts, nothing at all, no family member can know where him there, nothing. Zine, you know how hard it is as a parent. Trust me, and I hope one day, you know, she will get closure or find out if he's abroad or somewhere, somehow. And to that youth, if him see this or sitting at the star, just reach out to mommy and make sure you know, say you're okay. And, you know, we don't know my viewers and subscribers, but it's just sad. It is just so sad. You see it? But anyway, now to the reasoning now. I don't know. Do you think Jamaica need a culture reset? The thing I observe from an hour of meditation, and I say, culture reset, you know, do you think that would benefit Jamaica right now to the way it is, or do you think Jamaica gone and can't come back? Big up Jamaica, you know we love Jamaica. We don't forget where we come from. Big up Mainland, see? Big up the youths them, boys and girls, you know what I mean? Yeah. Jamaica need a culture reset. That's my question, I think so, you know. But will that never happen? No, because you see, we're in the year of 2022 going into 23 right now, and every year things and time change, you know. But some things where I say go on at Jamaica, I say, Jano, back in our days that never used to go on, you see me? Oh, go on. Yeah, bless you. Come from my channel, man. Lion Foot TV. Come say hello, man. Shout out where you come from. Shout out where you come from.
Hello,
Man.
I am from Jamaica, St. Thomas, from the east side.
Big up the whole east side. Is it? Big up skillibeng, popcaan, yeah.
You know, that's my family.
Are your family bloodline?
Yes.
Say no big up the general. Alright, yeah, man. Lion Foot TV. Subscribe, yeah?
Alright, then which one?
Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot TV.
Yeah. YouTube, yeah? Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So we keep the thing real. Big up the whole St. Thomas. Easy, is it? Easy. Yeah, man. Yeah, so culture reset. Yeah, man. You see the youth them nowadays, like the schools. You see the school them go with that bag of sitting like, SEX, oral business. You see me I say? Yeah, fighting teachers. You know what I mean? The fully down stock and all of them things there. You get what I say? And a lot of things are going on. A lot of things, yes sir. A lot of things are going on, I will say the youth them nowadays where them grow come see. And they say the music has changed as well. So we big up every artist. When I find an artist or pressure an artist or tell an artist what to sing. Because at the end of the day, an artist have to sing where them feel best for them and where I put food on them table. So if a man want to sing about SEX, Ensure and all of them things there, down in a throat and all them sitting there, and it's up to them. You just know so you keep your thing real where best fits you. You see me now, music sing gun song and them things, I'm stop still, it's not. And there's more culture and message and them things there, but Jamaica need a culture reset. We see in the schools them right now, we see a video this morning and radio, so like, couple back to school treats, we say some artists at some place are sing some song for the kids them. And all of the kids them are sing the song. Now, me never find that pleasing or funny because so much things are open to the kids them right now. Even though you have social media now, the kids them can go up on them internet, go watch what them want to do and watch sensitive stuff, you know what I mean? But we as elders have to set example, you see it? And that's where I say, do you think Jamaica need a culture reset? Because the youths them nowadays where I grew up, they're open up to so many things. And last so many things they got misled and wrongly influenced. Like me have a little granddaughter. Me see her mother dress her a certain way. I'm not too pleased with it, but any idea she had the mother, she must know, you know what I mean, how she want the daughter to grow. That is my granddaughter, so. But yeah man, enough little things. Me see teacher, student a fight teachers in class, like what happened the other day at Tivoli. 2017 I experienced that at the school where I was working. You know what I mean? The youth take the broom and slap up the teacher. Zine, when me come back from football now, everybody says, sir. You know what I mean? And I kick him out for the football team. He was in the squad, I'm kick him out and tell him to apologize. You know what I mean? Which he did and thing. But for sure I said them generation nowadays, them different, and we as elders we try set example for them. But we only can't talk, Jamaica done gone already. We see the youth them now, one intention of them are who want to become a chopper. You know what I mean? Some not finish school. You know what I mean? Because they have to go look it. You get what I say? Some want to be bad man, start hold the gun on them thing there. Which is all the wrong way, but you can't tell a man how to live them life. Because at the end of the day, me can't look at a man and say a 10 gun a week or a 50 pack or, because me not have it. You see me? If I bust in the music business, if me get my opportunity, enough good things me would have do still, you see me? Enough good things me would have done open doors for the younger youths, steer them away from crime and violence. You see me? Yes, really, manners and respect, see? Steer them away from crime and violence, you see me? That is just me, that's my mentality, my thoughts, my hopes. You know what I mean? And hope one day we can get a chance to do it. You see me? Change some youth's life, you see me? But overall, Jamaica need a reset, a culture reset, because the culture gone. the culture gone. And now we see babies having babies. Some gruesome thing we see are going on right now in the country, you know. Like one man take out 4 family one time, 5 family. You see me and say? It's like the youth them that say there's a way out, you know, but them just get caught up and just says a do or die, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so that was just a quick reason in the Monday. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think, and you don't know, big up the whole Jamaica, the 4 corner. East, west, north, south, you see me? Yeah. East, west, north, south, you see me? You got the whole Jamaica, you know the man of peace. You see me? Yeah man, we say stop the crime and live in love. I love Jamaica style, I love the youth them style, you know? Yeah man, we just want the violence to calm down and tone down. And money that Jamaica for make, you know. It's just the crime and violence style. But youth now have education. It's like them blind and done to certain things, so them just pre one way. You see me? And then they say the teacher them up and leave Jamaica as well. Because them not see no betterment, you know. But there's a way out. But I think Jamaica need a culture reset. Let me know if you agree with me or not. Or that would never happen, you know? Yeah. So comment in the comment section, let me know. Big up on yourself. You know, a lion foot I will raising, and I'm going to tell you to stop the crime, man. For the girls, them, stop belittling yourself and, you know, belittling the character. Be proud of who you are, have ambition and be ambitious. See? And the same goes to the boys, them. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I don't know. The chopper lifestyle is not all about that, but you have to know what you want. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. I don't know, I'll put you on another vlog we are raising. You see what I'm saying? Don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell about. Not another word out of me. Mouth.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.